Hello my beautiful people, how you guys doing today? So I'm going to teach you guys, okay? I'm going to teach you how to get a perfect part on your piece, okay? See how you see my wig? It's kind of like it's not as defined as I would like for it to be. So I'm going to show you all how to get your piece more defined, okay? And you only need 3 things. You're gonna need a brush, okay, something with like a fine line, okay, and of course you're gonna need your foundation. All right, so what I am doing, how you guys doing, my beautiful people? How you guys doing? Talk to me. So I'm just taking my foundation, okay, and then I'm just slightly, okay, I took a little bit, and let me just set it down. And then what I do, you see, what you do is you just gently, ooh, there's a piece of hair on it. Anyhow, you just gently, I'm using my camera as a mirror, okay, so just bear with me. Okay, so make sure you all take a good look, okay? Take a picture if you need to. You see how the line is not as well defined, it's kind of dark, okay? All right, so, and this is my new friend, okay? I just got her not too long ago, and I'm just trying to, okay, you see, you just go straight as possible. Okay, you see, you already see the difference, huh? And then just bring it closer, a little bit closer. Yes, you see? Instantly you could see the difference, right? Yes, see? Now it's more well defined, right? Definitely more well defined. All right, and ta-da, and that's really it. Very simple, okay? It's a very, very simple process of how to get your line more defined. And then you just go with your brush, and sometimes I would add a little mousse or a little gel to kind of lay it down more, you know what I mean? You could lay it down more, but for the most part, that's it. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what you all think. Wasn't that easy? So yes, before you go out, my beautiful ladies, when you have your wig on, before you go out, make sure you get your line defined, okay? Let me know what else you guys want to know about, you know, how to maintain your wigs. Like I said, I am an expert at doing my own hair, okay? I'm not a hairstylist, but I have worked hard over the years, looked at many videos, okay, and practice so that I can get my wig to look good, okay? And as realistic as it possibly can be. So let me know. So yes, y'all, this is her. You guys want to see the front? You see? So rewind, and like I said, it's a 5x5, okay? So it stops like right here. It stops right here. So all this is my own hair. You see the cap? See the cap? And now the line is nicely defined. See the difference? All right, y'all. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Duns beautiful people. Mwah.